What is today, honey?
Today is Tuesday. National Day?
And what happened on National Day 8 years ago?
What happened on National Day 8 years ago? I went for a wonderful little girl. Today makes 8 years
You
since
went
the
for a
first
wonderful little girl
time
where?
at the airport. Yeah, she was nice. Nothing like you. Guys, 8 years ago, that was the first day this girl stepped in France land.
Look at this though. Guys, good morning, Hey guys, today is a chill day at home. Tell us, stop the noise. Stop the noise, Ty. Today is a chill day at home. Resting day today. We are staying in. The kids are playing and I am not going anywhere. I'm trying to get some stuff to do today. Today is actually a holiday here too. It is the 14th of July, which I think is Independence Day, and it also marked 8 years of my very first time arriving in France. So today is my 8th-year anniversary of coming to meet Babe family and seeing all his friends and everybody here for the first time.
Mama?
Yes, Stella?
I love you.
I love you too.
They can go somewhere very funny.
What you mean? One day you want to go somewhere very funny. What does that mean?
It means I want to go for the decoration for Papa's birthday.
And that is very funny?
Yes.
You are funny. You are funny.
Can we party today?
No, today is holiday. Everywhere is closed.
Everywhere is closed every day.
Today.
Every day.
You are too funny. It's Papa's birthday next, right?
Yes.
And then whose birthday after Papa's birthday? And then who birthday after your birthday?
Yours! It's yours! It's yours! Yours!
You're too cute. I can't with you. Anyway, you guys, so today the kids are just here bonding and playing together. Sarah been outside driving her Benz. Get out of the camera, boy. She and Tyler been outside driving her little car. You want me to tell you a second time?
Mommy, like that?
So they're here while I'm trying to get some work done. Baby's somewhere inside her thing. So yeah, it's a chill day with these two. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and staying blessed and staying loved and staying motivated and staying encouraged. Look at her. She's just walking and eating and breaking everything. Sarah been breaking everything in this house. Yesterday Sarah break two things in the house. She broke yesterday. And then today she broke her cup. You know them hard plastic cup? She broke it this morning. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. And I am going to go finish up work.
And drink water if you don't want to be sick.
And drink water if you don't want to be sick. And what else you need to do?
Eat properly. Eat it properly and subscribe on Body After Baby.
Alright.
And drink water if you're tired.
Yes, you hear that? My promotion turn up, you know. Yeah, my promotion late. Anyway, you guys, I'm out.
R-A-T-R-A.
Look in that same line that you're looking. That's a hint.
Here I come for you. Mama, you're too funny.
You find it?
He's
He's here doing puzzle while I'm working. So he's doing word puzzle, I'm working. Papa is taking a nap and Sarah is taking a nap.
Papa is laying down.
Yeah, he's taking a nap. He's not feeling well. He's having a headache. You enjoying your puzzle?
Yes, but then every time I need some help.
No, you don't need no help. You've been doing it by yourself. What help?
Yes, where's the word trapeze?
What?
Trapeze.
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 Right.
Where's the word
Look for it by
trapeze?
yourself.
Tent.
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 Alright, go ahead.
T-E-N-T.
Mm-hmm.
T-E-N-T.
Mm-hmm.
T-E-N-T.
As I look, I find it.
T-E-N-T. Can you give me a hint?
No, no hint.
Please.
No,
Please.
no.
Please. You got me.
You are so funny. I find it finally. You are so funny, I can't.
I got laugh.
You're hilarious. Good job. Bravo.
A new one.
Die, Lord, you're gonna mad me. Doing that.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. quack.
She love when Tyler do his foolery.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Brother say quack quack.
Quack. Quack, quack.
See, she's saying quack quack, Ty. Ty, she's saying quack quack with you.
Now turns to peekaboo, 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 peekaboo. Boo! Boo!
Do it with me.
Focus. Oh, yeah. Oh. Chi va alla fianco? Basta. Light. 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 Hai. last 100 meters.
I'm going more fast.
Last 50. Come on. Faster.
This more workout, Mama.
Finish.
After you made more than some, you made that just a little bit. Mama, just wait a little bit.
We're stronger together. I wish I had you to work out with me every day. That was so cool. No?
Mama,
Huh?
have more exercise that we need to do.
You guys, the team just killed.
Mama,
Hold on, Ted, hold on. Team just killed a male workout program. We just did one of my session and trust me, yo, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to Body After Baby, tell them what they to do, honey.
Subscribe.
Tell them, my boy, tell them what they to do.
subscribe.
Tyler's sweating. He is wet.
Mama,
Yes.
I have more exercise that we need to do.
Okay, you can do it, but Mama finish.
But the Papa needs it.
Oh.
Papa finish too. But you can do it. I'm looking. Which one you gonna do?
You know,
Do leg raise. Go on.
but it's not that my first exercise.
Which one is your first exercise?
I'm going to show you this one.
You guys, you know what I realize? Baby's stronger when he's working out with me, but I'm not strong when I'm working out with him because he give me so much joke and I'm weak to his jokes. I just drop a laugh. I can't focus. I can't continue working out with him. He's gone.
Mama, this exercise, look.
Okay, do it.
I don't even give you a joke.
The things he said.
I'm
Leg raise, open
I'm
up.
just trying to. You're so sweaty.
No, but you're sweating too, corrupt
But
sweat.
it's my sweat.
Workout is done, and since workout I give the boys a haircut and I made dinner and now everybody's gonna eat. Sarah is ready. Look at her. She's ready. You ready? You ready?
Mama,
Yes.
I didn't do all the exercise that I wanted to do.
That's okay. You'll do it the next day. Who's so handsome? Look at me. Oh, what? Who's so handsome? Who's so handsome? Why are you sad? Because you didn't get to do all the exercise?
Yes, I want to.
The next day.
No, Freddie wanted to do.
I said the next day, Ty. Look. Salmon, quinoa, and broccoli. Eat up. What is it? You hungry, girl? Let me give you some of brother quinoa. Ah? Ah?
I wanted to do all my work.
Alright, you guys, that's Babe, and that's mine, and Sarah is gonna have hers in about 20 minutes, so I already shared it. So yeah, dinner time is going down around here. You guys, we're coming on to end this vlog, and every time I want to end this vlog, if you hear the things that he said before the camera turned on, you guys have no idea how this man gives trouble. Anyway, you guys, we're going to bed. What is today, honey?
Today is Tuesday. National Day?
And what happened on National Day 8 years ago?
What happened on National Day 8 years ago? I went for a wonderful little girl. Today makes 8 years since the first time at the airport. Yeah, she was nice. Nothing like you. Guys, 8 years ago, that was the first day this girl stepped in France land. Is that
For
correct?
the first time. was my first visit to France, one of the best trips I've ever had.
She almost missed her flight. That's another story. But yeah, that was 8 years ago, National Day. We have a long day. She fly all night and we went to the fireworks.
Eiffel Tower, big fireworks, and on the river, on boat, and you people that all the stuff. You did good. You did good. He did good. He did good. He made me wanted to come back. I didn't want to leave. He did good. One of the best trips I've had. Anyway, you guys, today we celebrate 8 years of me coming to France to visit for the first time, meeting babe family and friends, and that trip was tiring but worth every minute. You know? Good memories.
Good memories.
Alright, you guys, we're just coming on to end today's vlog because we are going to bed. We just finished watching our nightly movie dates. Blacklist
Almost finished. So
yeah.
I have a lot of movie. Then we're not gonna watch no series at first. I mean, we just
give our eyes a break from
that's
series.
how long we watching that? Almost like 2-3 months. Watching the same things every night. I mean, we into it. But
good.
when you have kids, you can't watch it all day. You have to watch it when the kids
night.
are sleeping. So yeah, we having a good times, and we will command you to watch it.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fandom, catch up and keep up with us, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
one more.